Hello everyone, welcome back to RPT Automotive. Today we're doing a little more small engine repair. We really don't have a hard job today. What we're going to be doing, if I can remember where I set them, is changing the lawnmower blades on a Cub Cadet RZT-L 54-inch zero-turn mower. So follow along with me here. It's not going to take very long. There's 3 blades. I am going to clean the deck while I'm doing it. Your best bet is to have some sort of jack like that. They're available at Harbor Freight. All you're going to need to do, let me get you in focus so you can see what I'm doing, is pump it up until you get the tractor or zero turn or whatever. Usually this works fine. What the heck? It's not working now. Okay, well, let's think this over again. Oh, I know what I did wrong. My mistake. Hey, everybody makes mistakes. Don't forget to take the pin out if you have it behind there. You won't be able to jack it up. Now we should be good. Let me get on this side. A little easier. So I'm going to jack this up high enough so that way I can use my impact gun and the proper socket. I'll let you know what size it is once I figure it out, because I forget offhand. We got to be kind of high for this, so that's probably about good. Now you are going to want to make sure you get this pin in front of there so that way it can't drop on you. That's important. So, make sure you do that. What you can do to make sure the pin doesn't get knocked out is let a little pressure off till it settles down onto the pin. Alright, now that we've done that, let's see if I could get you a good view of the underside of the deck. So, she's pretty dirty under there. Alright, so can't be afraid to get your hands dirty, can't be afraid to have to lay on your back. Hopefully I don't break my tripod going this slow. Hopefully you guys could see what I'm doing here. They do make things that you can lock the blade down with, so you want to always be careful that you don't get your arms stuck in here or whatever. I have a pretty good idea what's going to happen. If you're scared, put a block of wood in there. You could do something like this. Let me get a block of wood. You take a block of wood, and let's see, we're going to be spinning this way. So you would want to have the block of wood. This is a little too long, but you want to have the block of wood where it jams in between the blade and the deck, so that way it absorbs the blade and the blade doesn't just spin with the gun. Now, with using the impact gun, it's not really a big deal because it gives it that quick jolt and it comes right off. So we're going to do these real quick and then we're going to clean it. Alright, and just like that, blade's out of the way. We're going to slide over. First we got to get the damn socket on it. And same thing. Blade's done. And one more from the other side, but I can't reach it from here. So, now that you know how to take the blades off, it's the same for the reverse. But you don't need to torque the ever-living shit out of them with the impact gun. I usually don't, because you could break the spindle. So there's the third one. Alright, now that we got that all out of the way, what I would actually recommend using would be like, I don't know, like a paint scraper or something like that. I forget what this thing's called. If you know, let me know in the comments. I just happen to keep this on the mower for this very reason. I like that it has a little point on it so I can get in the little cracks a little easier. And then I still have a pretty flat surface that I could scrape with as well. But I could also loosen the stuff up and kind of just scrape it off this way as well. So, I don't know. Pick your poison. You may want to wear some safety glasses doing this. I can't see without my regular glasses, so I am not. But I am using my safety squints because this grass will get all in your eyes. And I am probably going to have a hell of an allergy attack after I'm done with this. But anyway, we're just going to keep repeating this process. I'm not going to bore you to death with the rest of this. Not a big deal. It's pretty easy, basic maintenance. Wow, that was a big piece. Alright, so we get a new blade. Gotta open these up. Now, I did get these on Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. I will link these in the description of the video. So if you need blades for your RZT, whatever the heck this was, the Cub Cadet, you'll be able to directly find them there. This set was actually pretty reasonable. When I went to my local store, they wanted like 20 bucks a blade. I was able to purchase these for, let's see, it was, I think, $30 for the set of 3. So, you know, that's a hell of a deal. Now, when you mount them, okay, you don't want this style blade, okay? You don't want it facing this way. You want the flat part of the cutting edge of the blade to be facing the ground. And we're going to line it up on the star there. I'm going to start the nut by hand. Hang on, I can't reach my impact gun. Let's get that. Now this monster has quite a bit of torque, so I'm going to lower it down to the first setting. I believe that's only like 100 pounds of torque or something, or 50. And that's plenty. Alright, so now this section of the deck is basically done. I do have some grass up here in the front that I didn't get because I don't want to block the view of what you're watching. So I'll clean the rest of this, get the other 2 blades on, and then we will show you some cutting. How's that sound, everybody? That wasn't too hard. See? Nice and easy. New blade on there. Alright, everybody, all the blades are on and the deck is clean on the 0 turn, the Cub Cadet RZT-L. So there's a before of this little patch of grass that I'm going to do to test the blades out. As you can see, it has not been cut within at least a week. So yeah, let's see if we can't make it look nice. I'm not too worried about the trimming crap and everything and the boats. I'm just using this as a test for the actual path that the blades are cutting in. So I'm going to cut this. I'm not going to do it on camera because it's going to be noisy and loud for you guys. And then I'll come back after I get it done cut. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, so I just did 3 quick passes. You know, once up, back, and down. That's about it, and looks to be cutting rather well. I don't see any mohawks or anything like that. Deck's pretty level. I don't cut it real low, so I think we're in good shape. I want to thank everyone for watching, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.